Hello and welcome to my channel. On the American Southeast Coast, South Carolina is at a prime location. The state is a well-liked vacation destination because it has miles of beaches, beautiful islands, and great weather all year round. You will have a wide range of options, whether you enjoy the arts, culture, or outdoor activities. The top South Carolina vacation spots are listed next. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 10. Mauldin. Mauldin is a contemporary town with a picturesque, wonderfully kept historic downtown. It is situated in an old agricultural and textile district in what is known as upstate South Carolina. Mauldin looks out over the Appalachian Mountains. Mauldin has a thriving arts community with a famous ballet, theater, and symphony that present annual performances at the Peace Center for the Performing Arts. With miles of paved hiking and bicycling routes, the Blue Ridge Mountains to the north of the town and Conestee Lake, and the park to the west provide plenty of green space for outdoor lovers. With go-karts, arcades, and other family games, Frankie's Fun Park provides both inside and outdoor entertainment. Popular riverfront park, Pelham Mill Park, contains the remnants of a former medieval textile mill and post office. Number 9. Hilton Head Island. Any municipality with the word island in its name immediately evokes thoughts of carefree summer getaways, and Hilton Head Island more than lives up to the expectation. Choose from a number of crowded Kalini Park Beach or quiet Burke's Beach beaches. If you enjoy water sports, head to H2O Sports for instruction and gear. Another choice is to embark on a boat excursion with one of the many outfitters to explore the coastline. You may take the kids to the Sandbox Interactive Children's Museum or go hiking and wildlife watching on the Pinckney Island National Wildlife Refuge. At one of the island's 250 eateries, you may round off your day with a feast of fresh seafood. Number 8. Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park, Beaufort. A spectacular example of how one man's vision succeeded in transforming a rundown harborside eyesore into an urban oasis for Beaufort residents and visitors is the Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park in Beaufort, South Carolina. The park, which is made up of several different areas and is conveniently located near the National Historic Landmark District, is located between downtown Beaufort and the Beaufort River/Intracoastal Waterway. These areas include picturesque riverfront walkways, a children's playground, swings, picnic areas, and a small pavilion. Come here for a quiet picnic, to observe the ongoing maritime activities, or to take part in one of the yearly celebrations like the Taste of Beaufort, the Shrimp Festival, or the Water Festival. Number 7. Kiawah Island. On lovely Kiawah Island, located a few miles south of historic Charleston, South Carolina, you are never far from the water or a golf course. This tranquil barrier island off the coast of South Carolina boasts 5 championship golf courses, more than 10 miles of beaches, superb wildlife viewing opportunities, and hiking, bicycling, and walking trails. Joining a kayak or stand-up paddleboat tour is one way to discover the island's numerous waterways. Another option is to rent a bike and travel around on 2 wheels. If you enjoy fishing, you can arrange a fishing charter or take a motorboat out to see the coastline. Tennis and lessons, 4 spas, and a variety of excellent restaurants are also available on the island. Number 6. Aiken. The city of Aiken, which is located in the central Savannah River Valley in western South Carolina, is most known for its equestrian culture and the numerous thoroughbred champions it has produced. Aiken is naturally home to more than just lovely horses, fox hunts, and polo games. It also has the largest urban forest in the nation. Its downtown is beautiful, with elegant streets lined with galleries that highlight the vibrant art scene in the city and are shaded by age-old oak trees. Citizens Park has a playground, a splash pad, a number of ball fields, and hiking trails. The Aiken County Historical Museum is a great place to learn about the city's past, while Richardson's Lake Water Park is an inviting family spot with a nice sandy beach and water slides. Number 5. Spartanburg. Since it was founded in 1753, Spartanburg has been a center for both cultural and outdoor activities and historical sites. To find out more about the town's involvement in World Wars I and D, sign up for the historic downtown walking tour. You can explore the Spartanburg Music Trail if you enjoy music, and the Spartanburg Art Museum and Chapman Cultural Center are great places for art lovers. The sole museum and manufacturing facility for the German automaker in America, BMW Zentrum, is a must-see for auto fans. Nature lovers can stroll through some of Spartanburg's arboretums and nature preserves or explore hiking, biking, and walking trails. Number 4. Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach is a well-liked weekend getaway spot for both families and couples because it combines exciting beach activities with intriguing museums, galleries, and other attractions during inclement weather. One of the most well-liked pastimes for both tourists and locals is strolling down the renowned Myrtle Beach Boardwalk, where you can take in the festive atmosphere while taking in the sunset and riding the Skywheel Ferris wheel. The beaches provide excellent opportunities for swimming, tanning, canoeing, and kayaking, and there are many top-notch golf courses nearby. The town is teeming with crazy family attractions away from the beach, like the Backstage Mirror Maze, Ripley's Wax Museum, and the Family Kingdom Amusement Park. Activities in Myrtle Beach. Number 3. Greenville. Greenville combines enjoyable outdoor activities with cultural and artistic attractions, checking all the boxes for a fun-filled family weekend escape. You can stroll through the pedestrian-friendly downtown to take in the ambience, eat, or shop. The Greenville Symphony Orchestra, the Greenville Chorale, and the Carolina Ballet Theater can all be found at the Peace Center if you enjoy the performing arts. Families can have hours of educational fun at the Children's Museum of the Upstate and Roper Mountain Science Center, or they can work out in Keezer's Head State Park, where you can go hiking, fishing, and wildlife watching. Weekend visitors can navigate the city easily with the help of the free Greenville trolley. Number 2. Charleston. The oldest city in South Carolina is Charleston, which is also home to some of the most popular tourist sites in the state. History aficionados can visit a number of beautifully restored plantation mansions and gardens that date back as far as 1672. Among the most well-known are Magnolia Plantations and Gardens. The town has a thriving art scene, which you can explore by going to places like the Halsey Institute of Contemporary Art and the historic Charleston Music Hall, to name a couple. Foodies can experience the vibrant flavors of the South on a Charleston culinary tour or a Charleston Brews cruise to sample regional craft beers. Charleston takes pride in showcasing Southern cuisine. Number 1. Pawley's Island. About 25 miles separate Pawley's Island from Myrtle Beach and 70 miles separate Charleston. One of the earliest summer vacation destinations on the East Coast is the island off the coast of South Carolina. In the island's historic district, 12 homes from the late 1700s to the mid-1800s are available for visitors who enjoy old architecture. In addition to its delightful, casual, unspoiled wide beaches and sand dunes, Pawley's Island is renowned for its laid-back, carefree, shoeless lifestyle that includes rope hammocks, ghost stories, fishing, and crabbing. The island's charm has been developed over time by locals' leisurely lifestyles. This brings us to the end of our video. Which place do you love the most? Tell us in the comments section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to mention them in the comment section, and we will surely respond to your request. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.